Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Revit if it's not opening on your Windows computer. If Revit won't launch, freezes during startup, or closes immediately after opening, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. So let's get started. First, restart your computer and try launching Revit again. Yeah, a simple restart can clear temporary system issues and background processes that may be preventing the application from opening properly. Next, right-click the Revit shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes to continue. Running Revit with elevated permissions can resolve problems caused by restricted access to system files or project folders. If Revit still won't open, verify that your computer meets the current system requirements and make sure Windows is fully updated. I mean, outdated graphics drivers or missing Windows updates can sometimes prevent Revit from starting correctly. Another good solution is to open the Autodesk Access application and check for available updates. Installing the latest Revit updates and hotfixes can fix known bugs and improve compatibility. If the problem continues, try repairing the Revit installation through the Windows Installed Apps or Programs and Features menu. Finally, temporarily disable any antivirus software that's blocking Revit, then try launching the application again. If none of these steps work, reinstalling Revit may replace damaged or missing program files and restore normal operation. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Revit when it's not opening. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.